Okay, we are baking up some enchiladas in the bottom of our oven. In addition to some donuts we have going on. Our donuts are still baking, but our enchiladas look good. All right, here we have them. Baked up enchiladas. These have chicken and beans and a beautiful homemade enchilada sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this baking video today. If you guys like our videos, don't forget to just give us that thumbs up. Follow us along on social media. Share this with a friend who would like our content. God bless. Have the most wonderful day. Thanks for being here. Bye.